This video will demonstrate how to add Chromebook tablets into Destiny Resource Manager. First, I go to Austin Elementary because that is the site I'm using as an example. And the landing page is defaulted to Discover. I will log in here, making sure that I use admin credentials. Without admin credentials, you will not have access to Resource Manager. So if you log in with your TL username, you will not have access. So here we are back at Discover. I need to be in Destiny Classic, so I will go to the 3-line square and navigate down to Destiny Back Office, which is the same as Destiny Classic. Now, this is what normally you would see on Austin Elementary Destiny Classic. This is for library view, and it's very important to make sure that you are on the correct view, or else you're not going to be able to access what you need to access. When you're logged in as a site administrator, you can view both Resource and Library Manager at the same time. That is very confusing for me, so I select one or the other, and we need to be in Resource View. I will go to Catalog, and here we are at Resource Search. Now, because this is like the 20th time that I have made this video, Chromebook tablets is already hyperlinked. But if you have not been playing around with Chromebook tablet records, this will be only text, the same way that accessories is only text or video conferencing is only text. You will not be able to click on it. Here's how you change that. Instead of looking in your school's site, if you click the down arrow and navigate to DeKalb County School District's Destiny, then you will have a hyperlinked Chromebook tablets option. We will click there, and you will see that very specifically we have the Acer Chromebook Tablet 10 or Tab 10, which is what you guys told me we are receiving for our youngest students. So I will click here. The 4 that are here now are all mistakes, so I'm going to delete those first by clicking on the trash can. Those were some of my first efforts with the Follett person. Okay, so go back to resource details. Here we are. This is our record, and we want to add item. Now, after much trial and error, we have determined that the easiest way to start adding these item records, which is what we refer to as copies in Library Manager, is to start off by just creating the number that you need to match the number of devices you have. So if your school received 70 Chromebook tablets, then you would put 70 here as the number of items. Because I don't want to go back and delete 70 different items, I'm going to do a modest, let's do 5, okay? So we are adding 5 item records for the Acer Chromebook Tablet 10, and we are going to start off by simply saying assign next barcode, and it is going to be this 14 character number with a whole bunch of leading zeros. Okay, so we're going to click save. It's going to say, are you sure? We're going to say yes. And now we have 5 items that were added. We can't see them yet. We can see them by either going to see all or just clicking on items here. Now we have to go in and edit each one individually. I know that seems like kind of a pain, but it should not be too difficult. We go across to the first item and click the little pencil icon for edit. Here we are going to select the barcode we don't want, delete, and then make sure that we are putting in the barcode we do want. I'm going to select this one just because it's a Virtucom number I was playing around with. We will go down here, and for serial number, we're going to put in a long number, whatever the serial number is from the device. Now, you might ask, but Janie, why are you putting the Virtucom number here and the serial number here when down here in these fields it actually says Acer serial number and Virtucom serial number? Well, these are optional fields, and I only added them on the off chance that someone would come in and they wouldn't know where to put things and they could put it there. Because I can't change what it says next to barcode. I can't change what it says next to serial number. These fields up here are searchable, which is why I'm suggesting that you put in the barcode number, the Virtucom number here is the barcode, and then put the Acer or manufacturer's serial number here. Then you will be able to search. If you only put them here, which is the case with the Digital Dreamer Chromebook records that we have, the only way that you can search for a specific number is by generating a report that creates a spreadsheet, opening the spreadsheet, and then using Control plus F tool to identify a very specific record. Okay, now you can put this information, because you should be able to scan the barcodes that are on the tablets. You could scan the Virtucom number here also and scan the Acer serial number here, so you can add 4 pieces of information. But if you're only going to add it in one place, I really suggest that you add the Virtucom number here as the barcode and the serial number here. Click Save. And then we go in. Now we see that this has gone to the bottom, and look at this beauty. Here's the Virtucom number, and then right underneath it is the serial number. We could do the same thing with the next one. Click Edit, go in, take out that assigned barcode, scan in Virtucom number for the barcode, scan in the Acer serial number here. Up to you whether or not you include it here or not, but remember these are searchable, and then you hit save. I know this is a lot of work, but it's going to be so worth it to be able to easily know which student has which device. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me. I hope this helps. Bye for now.